Morning kids, Sairam. So after so many days we are going to make a new drawing, right? So all are excited. Yes. So in standard 3 you must have done very nice topics of drawing, and now you have learned drawing very well, right? So today I am going to teach you Krishna drawing, Krishna face. So here I am going to teach you a very nice shading in this and very nice shapes using lines of different shape lines. We are going to make this face. Follow how I am making. So here we start. So see, like this in standing way you will draw in standing way. You will write your topic Krishna. Today's date you will write and make border from all the sides. Make border compulsory. First I am making S shape line. See from where I have started, from middle I have started this S shape from left side to right side, but I am taking this S shape up, from down to up I have taken, like this S shape you made. So this is, we are making the head, that is pagdi of Krishna. This is the down part of pagdi, like this shape, curve line. Then we will make inside lines. Join this pagdi's one part, head one part to our border. Then before making lines, here we are going to make peacock feather, which is on the head of Krishna every time. So this is the peacock feather using W shape. Then extend the W shape line up. This is a W shape I made for making the feather. Now make heart shape, but downside heart shape I am making. See, like this heart shape. First a big heart I made, inside one more heart, little small, then one more, like this 3 heart shape I made. Now make lines in this feather, curve lines you have to make. Don't make here straight line, make here curve lines, like this till end. So this feather is finished. Now we will make lines inside this pagdi. Here also you have to make curve lines. See how I am making. See, so end is narrow. Again V shape, like this V shape you have to go on making. These are the folds in the pagdi, like this in the hat. So here also make lines of folds like this. So only using lines we are making this pagdi. So like this our pagdi drawing is finished. Now before making face, we have to make a flute. A flute I am making big using 2 slanting lines. See how much big I am making. Don't make more fat and don't even make very much thin. See how much I have made, medium size exactly. In the same way you also make like this flute. Then here 2 hangings we have made like this on flute. Now before making face, we will first make eyes. First we will make eyes, nose, after that we will make face line, so that we will understand how much big we have to make the face. First I am making eyebrows. Don't make the eyebrows straight because this is the abstract face, so don't make eyebrows straight. See this nose line how I am making, like this nose you have to make. Then now eyes, both the eyes should be big. Right side eyes is little small, very little small, because Krishna is facing one side, that's why one side eye will look big and another side eye will look little small. like this. And for eyeball, 2 C shape. Then lips, see, lips are touching to flute as if he is playing flute. So your lips should touch flute. Okay. I made tilak using raindrop shape. Now this face line. See this gap. Same gap you should also leave. Now ears using to U shape. This is hairs. Now earring I am making here one pair of earring, then another face line like this. Then hairs I am making here, hairs of Krishna. Here neckline, from another side also neckline, and here also hairs of Krishna. Okay, like this our drawing is finished. Now we will start coloring. So very first I am starting coloring pagdi using these 3 shades. This is yellow, brown and dark blue. Yellow, brown and dark blue. So first I am using brown shade. First give brown shade. Don't color in full. One line you have to shade. So half my line I am doing brown. So here in this line half I am doing with brown, and half you will do with yellow. First do brown and yellow, after that you will do with dark blue shade. Now do with yellow shade like this. Merge yellow in brown very properly. Do yellow on brown also, so that your both colors, both shadings will be merged very properly. Like this, round you can color so that your colors will be merged. Like this. Now take dark blue and only color this dark blue on bottom line, not in middle, only in bottom I am doing this dark blue shade. So in all lines you will do same way. In all the lines you will color in the same way how I done in first line. See, I have already done, so it is looking nice, right? So same shading I have followed everywhere, brown, yellow and dark blue. At end also you can do dark blue. Now I am coloring feather using dark green, light green and dark blue again. Dark green, light green and dark blue. First I am doing with dark blue shade. See, first I am giving here also half with dark green in one line and half with light green. Again dark blue we will do at end. See, like this, only one line I am putting with dark blue. Only one line you have to put at bottom with dark blue. So all remaining lines you have to shade in the same way. See, I have already done in all feathers in the same way in all lines. Now this heart, first take brown color in outside heart. First take brown color here. Like this, do properly coloring. Then light green I am doing in second heart. Then in last, that is the small heart, I am doing violet and white color. So little you have to do with violet, very little, and then shade with white, mix with white, so that will look nice. Okay. Now I am coloring face. All the shades we are going to use in face: dark blue, light blue, green, light green, yellow and white. So first I am taking dark blue color. See how I am doing. First do from all outline. So first, near outline you will color with dark blue from one side, that is from left side. I am starting dark shade, that is dark blue color, like this. See till where I am doing this dark blue. Below eye only one line of dark blue, only one line of dark blue. See how much dark blue I am doing, you also do the same way. Like this. Here you use light blue, I am using the little darkest shade of blue, but you can use here light blue shade. Here you can use light blue shade. See how much part I am coloring this with light blue shade. Then merge with white. Merge very properly with white. Give this white color on light blue fully, so that your color will be merged very properly. Merge in this dark blue also, like this. See, now your color is merged. So like this, another side face also you have to do in the same way. See, I have already done another side, and above eyes I have done only dark blue. Now on forehead, here first you have to do little dark green on forehead, little dark green you have to do. Then take light green. This is the different shading we are giving here. Don't color in your tilak, so give little light green here, extend the line. Then take yellow, lemon yellow color, and do in remaining full part of forehead. So like this you have to do. See, like this. In tilak I am giving here red color, in tilak, and this double line of eye here also I am giving red color. Double line of eye here also I am giving red color. Okay. Then we will shade eyeball. For that, first I am using here brown color. I am using here brown color. I will show you. See, little from both the side I have done brown. In middle I am doing white, merging my white shade in both the side. First I done both side brown, and then white I merged. Now take black for small C shape, and little white dot you have to leave there. See how I have done, little white space leave. Another eye also in the same way you have to do. See, I have already done another eye in the same way. Then eyebrows I have done with black, lips I have done with rose pink and white shade, rose pink and white, flute with brown, earring with orange and red, flute with brown color. Then neck using again the three shades, dark blue, light blue and white. See, white on both the ends, here red and here's black, and my background with yellow shade. So hope you will try to make, say it will look very beautiful, like this shading will look very beautiful. So try to make this and hope you enjoy.